Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Travel with Toniann, and today I'm going to be checking out this lovely river in Portland, Jamaica called Fish Dunn Falls. It's located in a little district called Silver Hill in Portland. So we're going to check it out. So the route we took was through Papine. I was coming from Kingston, so we took the route from Papine all the way up to the Buff Bay Valley, which is in Portland, and it's the most scenic views of Jamaica that you'll ever see. When I was driving there, I was like, is this really Jamaica? It's so pretty, lush, it's green. You just get to experience that rural part of Jamaica. You'll pass farmers walking by with their goats, or we saw a few sheep there, or they have the heavy farm goods on their heads that's well balanced. They're so good. And then you have little streams, little water springs that people actually catch water and have. And you'll pass a lot of famous or well-known places like Strawberry Hills. You'll pass Cafe Blue. A lot of coffee shops are there and a lot of places to eat like Eats Cafe. You'll also pass through our national park, which is the Blue and Drunker Mountains. It's the only national park that's in Jamaica, and it's a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was inscribed to the World Heritage Site in 2016. So it's a big deal. So driving through there, it's untouched beauty of Jamaica that you'll never see anywhere. Some parts of the roads are not so good. You just have to take your time and just drive slowly and enjoy the views. Come upon a little landslide, and that was before you reached Hollywell. That spot tends to have a lot of landslides, so you just have to be very careful. But from you pass Hollywell, smooth sailing, and you get to see the real rural side of Jamaica. It's so beautiful. I just wish people would just explore more of Jamaica. One thing I forgot to mention is that Google Maps actually does work. So all you have to do is put in Fish Dunn Falls in Google Maps, and it will take you directly there. It's very accurate. So when you go there, there's not much parking. You have to park on the road, and it's a little dead end. So you just have to bear that in mind. So the entrance fee is 500 Jamaican dollars to get in, and that will give you access to the river. You have a few steps that you go down. They have little seating areas if you want to go to different parts of the river there. So the falls is deep. Some parts of it is deep. You have tour guides there who kind of patrol the area, so you have to just carry a life jacket if you have it, because it's deep. We actually went to another part of the river where we had to do a bit of hiking. It's not so bad, but we hiked, going through the river, walking over the rocks. Going through a river, just make sure you wear your water shoes, make sure you know which rocks to step on, because some of the rocks, like any river, can get slippery. But you have a guide who will take you to the second river that they have there. Now, this second river was really, really nice. The water though, oh my God, was so cold. Like, it's probably the second coldest river. Calby's Hidden Beauty was a really cold river, but this one was a little cold. So, you just, take your time, get one dip in, and your body gets adjusted to the temperature. And it was nice. That part of the river too is a little deep, but I had my life jacket to go under the falls as well. And, I got some footage. I asked one of the guys to get a footage of me. He got a footage of himself actually going under the falls. The water was a little bit dirty, so I didn't really get a good footage, as you can see there. So it's a nice river to go check out if you're ever, in Jamaica, or you want to go to somewhere new. It's a different, type of river to go to. I liked it. And of course, the drive out was very, very nice. I encourage anyone to take that drive out and, see that. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to more travel adventures with me. Until next time, don't forget to explore and follow me for more travel content around Jamaica. See you soon.